from you guys that you wanted to see me in my makeup room. So today's the day. Let's just check it out what I have in here. It's pretty simple and very girly at the same time. So here it's like an open closet. I got my shoes, 100 pair of shoes.
I counted 117.
117 pair of shoes. So I cannot fit them all in here. So I put some here, I put some on other closets. So my favorites will be just right here, and at the bottom they're my kind of fancy ones. I got some party clothes right here. So the color was brown and I painted it to white. And it's a beautiful storage that you can, like have space for extra, makeup or anything jewelry that you have. And this is my absolute favorite part. The frames that you see, I bought them from, I believe it was on Amazon because I checked they were very expensive. So I bought them from AliExpress. Yes, it takes time, but it's worth it. I mean. This is one of my favorite Quran that was given to me as a gift. It's pretty. I love the color. I love everything about it.
You want to open and show?
Yeah, sure. Let's just check it out.
Wow, it's so colorful.
It's beautiful. It's so different, you see? Something else about me, I love perfumes and expensive ones. Okay, I don't go cheap.
So people have they want to send you perfumes, they can send it to you?
You can send me actually Coco Chanel because,
It's empty?
It's empty. So yeah, Coco Chanel is my favorite. And and then this one is also my favorite. I love it. It's empty actually too. So yeah.
Hey, what's this? Well, why do you have that?
This is a cigar that 10 years ago we went to Cuba. So it's a souvenir. I don't smoke. I just, I like it.
It's like, I don't smoke.
I don't smoke. But yeah, I like the smell.
It smells good.
I just keep it. This one is, it's really nice. It's also Quran. And the color was brown, and I just spray painted, and it's really nice. The last thing that I will show you guys about this room is this beautiful vanity that I, purchased. I have 3 drawers in this one. Also guys, I just want to give a shout out to one of my friends that has YouTube channel as well. Her channel is Almost Arts, so check her out. She is truly amazing. And also, do not forget to subscribe me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget that. Share with all your friends, and also please do follow me on my Instagram, 2 accounts. So one is for recipes, one is for makeup and daily stuff that I do. For recipe is Sahar's Life 1, and the makeup is Touch of Beauty by Sahar. So I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful tour. If you have any suggestion, anything that you want to say, please do comment down below. I would love to read your comments. Until next video,